Are Main Street, Beale Street, Coleus. Aren't they great?
Aren't those gorgeous? This beautiful American Gold Rush Rudbeckia.
Oh, look at how much it's grown.
Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Thursday to you.
So guys, we're out in our garden today. We're taking a walk around looking at things, and we wanted to update you all on the AAS winners that were sent to us earlier this spring, and that stands for All America Selections. And these are great plants that we're trialing in our garden.
But before we get to all that, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and that way you won't miss every daily video we post. Yeah, so we're excited to show you the update on these plants, and we have one favorite one we're gonna save for last. Okay, you guys, this is our main bed that we have all the veggies in that we were sent. We have 7 tomato plants, I believe.
Yep, we were sent 7 AAS winners, and we planted all of them in this bed.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I have to say, I think my absolute favorite tomato so far, well, not even so far, these are at the end of their cycle here, but this tomato apple yellow.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Oh my goodness, they're so delicious.
Oh, tasty.
We have a few more to pick, and then I think we're kind of donezo on that. One interesting thing about all these tomatoes, in our climate, they all ripened kind of late in the season for us. So we really they hit their peak like in September, like at the beginning of this month. So we've been out here like crazy, just harvesting as fast as we can before we lose them all.
Yep, it's kind of a fast changeover from summer to fall, and
really fast.
Yeah, and we got a whole bunch of rain. As you can see, we're both wearing our rain jackets today.
So in fact, we need to get out here and harvest the rest of these before we lose them.
Yes, we do.
Because they're so good.
They're awesome.
So we had, I believe, 2 tomato apple yellows. We had 2 tomato Solano F1s. And then we also have, I think we had 2, maybe 3 early resilients. So we have a range of tomatoes. Awesome. We also, if you dig it down in here, we have 2 pepper plants that kind of got buried because we haven't been out here in a while. Oh, we have a bunch of peppers.
Oh, cool.
Oh, look at.
You know, guys, we harvested some earlier on, and we actually cooked with them, and they're, you wouldn't think they're super spicy, but once you start cooking them, the juices and the flavors and everything comes out. They add a lot of heat to our meals.
Oh, I can smell it from here.
That's a roulette pepper that we were sent. And isn't that beautiful?
Oh, it's beautiful.
And there's so many.
There's so many.
Wow,
and
they did great in our climate
awesome
this year.
Here.
Wow.
So highly recommend if you can find roulette peppers. Really good.
So guys, we're in our backyard now, and we wanted to show you the potato Clancies that were sent to us, and they're doing great. They're still growing, interestingly enough. They haven't stopped growing or flowering yet, so we're just kind of letting them do their thing. So if you look down here, here they are,
And look at this flower. Isn't that beautiful?
Such a beautiful little flower. Look at that.
Yeah.
They call it blue, but to us it looks a little more lavender.
Yep. And so guys, these potato Clancies are a great plant.
This is the first potato that All America Selections has been able to grow from seed that's been true to seed. And it's great because that's kind of hard to do.
Yeah, isn't that amazing? Now, when they sent these to us to trial, they were already tiny plants. We were not sent seeds, but
They were about this size,
Yeah, they were.
about here. They were tiny. And there was only 2 of them. Now we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
look at this guy's like falling on the ground.
Yeah, there's 6 actual stems coming out of this pot where it only started out with the 2 back here. So I mean, they've definitely multiplied underneath the soil in this pot, which is super cool.
Well, what's cool as well is I really like that these potatoes are really good for containers, which is, as you can see, we have ours in a little container back there, and they're actually climbing up our little fence here.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're over here looking at our Coleus that were sent to us by AAS, and these are Main Street, Beale Street, Coleus. Aren't they great?
Aren't those gorgeous? That foliage. And I'm sorry, you know, we had a little bit of slug damage over here.
Yep.
You guys can see the newer growth on top looks a heck of a lot better than the lower growth, the older leaves. So
yeah, they destroyed that.
yeah.
And that was kind of our bad. We got busy and we forgot to keep up on the sluggo out here, which is a slug repellent. So yeah, we feel bad that we kind of let that happen, because otherwise this plant is healthy, it's gorgeous.
But you know, really guys, having the slugs here and going through that, along with being in our climate, this is a great test for this plant in our climate with the pests. So really, I mean, it's still a very successful test out here. And this is great. They're still doing really well, even with the slug damage.
Okay, you guys, we're showing you the second to last plant that we wanted to highlight, and that is this beautiful American Gold Rush Rudbeckia.
Oh, look at how much it's grown.
Oh, and a spider.
And a spider, why
Be careful
not?
of that guy. If you watched this earlier this year, you might have noticed that we had one single flower stem pop up with a beautiful flower on it, and we could not wait for the rest of them to pop out. Well, look at this.
Yep, mid to late September, it's doing its thing now.
They are prolific.
That's interesting.
And loving this container.
Oh, it's gonna be so beautiful.
Yeah, we kept a lot of the plants in containers, as you noticed, because that just kind of worked for us in our gardening style, but we also weren't sure where we wanted to put them in the landscape for their permanent home. So we'll have to make some decisions on that.
And last but not
Oh
least,
my gosh, my favorite. If you follow us on Instagram, you saw this yesterday on our feed.
oh my gosh,
Beautiful. Look
how,
at that.
oh, it's beautiful, just
and,
gorgeous.
Oh, it's so, and look at all the other ones coming in. Just, it's gonna explode in color here.
And it's just really shot up.
Now this is a
wow.
Sombrero Baja Burgundy coneflower.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you, again, if you read our post yesterday, we have been waiting and anticipating this, the opening of this flower, and it has not disappointed.
Not at all. That looks great.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Yeah. It's really liking our climate. The trial's going well.
So it's really starting to rain on us right now, which we're not complaining about, but we kind of wanted to be out here a little bit longer. So we're gonna have to cut our video short.
Yep, but it's been great showing you guys the update on these AAS winners, and we hope you enjoyed it. And let us know down in the comments section if you have any questions about any of them specifically.
One thing I wanted to mention though, if it does help, sometimes you see these plants and you want to get them, right? You want to get your hands on them. AAS Winners has a website. We'll put the website link down below so you can find these plants. Often your local garden centers and retailers will sell these plants through their various companies.
So guys, if you're looking for these plants specifically, ask for at your nurseries AAS Winners. So guys, as usual, leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you guys. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to this channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
Yeah, that's a wrap for today, everybody. We'll be back tomorrow with our Friday plant chat, so come on by to see which plant we're highlighting. Have a great day ahead, everybody. We're gonna get out of the rain.
See you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye.
Bye-bye.